No.
Good morning, guys. I think we should start our session with the news awareness program.
Yes, sure. Anyone have any news?
Okay, I'm starting. I'm audible. Good morning and Jai Hind, everybody. This is chess number 226, and I'm here to speak about Strategic Forces Command, also called as Strategic Nuclear Command. It was formed in year 2003 by the initiative of Vajpayee government. The main aim and objective of this command is to control, innovate, and maintain the nuclear capability of the country. They also focus to develop the more efficient nuclear triad for the country. It was headed by a 3-star rank officer, alternatively served by all the three forces. They have three strike policy. With the first strike, they have 68 warhead nuclear missiles that can be launched from the land. Agni family and Prithvi family are the part of that. They have second strike for the Air Force, Mirage 2000 and Jaguar fighter jet are the part of that. And for the third strike, they have INS Arihant that can launch nuclear weapon from the water also. So in this way, everything is controlled. Thank you.
Good morning,
May
ladies and
I,
Good
gentlemen.
morning.
Yes, go on, Shivam.
my voice is audible?
No.
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am speak on Siachen Glacier. So, why we have to know about the Siachen Glacier? So, first of all, Siachen Glacier is located at the eastern Karakoram range in the Himalayas. It is just northeast of the point NG 9842, where is the line of control between India and Pakistan. So now I want to tell some significance of the Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier, it is the life of the South British watershed that is the separated Central Asia from the Indian subcontinent, and it is the creates the wedge between China and Pakistan, and it is the second largest world polar area glacier. And friends, the Siachen Glacier, there is one operation was held, which is Operation Meghdoot. It was the launch in 13 April 1948. This is the military operation. Was the first assault launch in the highest battlefield in the world, and the military action resulted in the Indian troops gaining the control of entire Siachen Glacier. So friends, this Siachen Glacier sometimes referred as the Siachen War, and it was the military conflict between India and Pakistan to capture our union territory. And in the conclusion, this is the very important for our protection for our territory, And the Siachen Glacier is the part of Ladakh nowadays. Thank you.
Good morning,
Good morning,
Muribet.
friends. This is test number 107, and today I'm going to talk about a woman named Mirabai Chanu that has made us all proud by winning silver medal in Olympics. Talking about her early life, Mirabai Chanu was born on 8th August 1994 in the small village of Manipur. She could easily carry a huge bundle of firewood at home, which shocked her family. A bundle of wood that her brother could not also pick. So that time, her father realized the strength of Mirabai. She started her career with Commonwealth winning silver medal and also winning the gold medal in World Weightlifting Championship. She promised herself that if she could not qualify the Olympics, she would quit weightlifting. But after the practice, she qualified for the Olympics 2020 summer. She won the World Championship multiple times and made us all proud by winning the gold in Olympics in 2021. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. As we all know, a nuclear power can change the map of world. History also told us about the power of nuclear energy. As we can see Nagasaki and Hiroshima of Japan. It was an era when every country wants to come in the competition to become the nuclear power country. In May 1974, world got surprised when India conducted its nuclear test. So what realized that it is important now to control the trading of nuclear energy. Then 7 countries who were already less with nuclear power form a group, namely Nuclear Supplier Group (NSG). So I'm going to talk about the NSG. The aim of NSG to control the nuclear trade and making guidelines for trading of nuclear energy. Presently, presently 48 countries are member of NSG. The guidelines of energy contains two parts. First part is governed to export the item that specially designed and prepared for nuclear use. This list called trigger list item. Second part deals with the nuclear related dual use technology, that is nuclear energy in use of nuclear energy in peaceful way. India is not a member of NSG. However, India is trying to be a member of NSG, but India has not signed the non-partition treaty (NPT) yet, which is essential part to become the member of NSG. It is the main barrier for India. Also, China, who is a member of NSG, is not in the favor of India, as China think Pakistan should have the membership of NSG. Both country, India and China, did not sign NPT. So, if one country got the membership of NSG, the other country will automatically become the member of NSG. Although NSG is a very powerful group in world to control the nuclear power supply, apart from this, there are many international groups like MTCR, Australia Group, CTBT to control the technology and information of nuclear, biological, and chemical weapon, in which India is a member of these groups. So India can deal their nuclear technology under this treaty and should keep trying to become the member of NSC. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you. We heard two news. I think some more will continue. We have heard about the NSG completely. Speed of delivery is slightly slow, as if it is to be spoken in a presentation, in a structured presentation. Now, in SSB, it is not a structured presentation. It will be a on-spot presentation of 3 minutes. So, speed of delivery and uh, maybe the modulation also needs some excitement, because this is being spoken from a stage for a larger audience, whereas you are talking in a class. When we talk in a class, our modulation is slightly different, and you have to be a little more talkative, not a script born. So presently you are getting a script born. We need to be talkative. It should look like that you are talking to these 9 people in front of you, and they are your audience, nobody else. Right, ladies and gentlemen, with that, we quickly come to one small. Are you having a small paper and pen in your hand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Blue pen and blue paper. Blue pen and white paper.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't use black
Yes,
pen.
sir.
And quick story, quick PPT, within 4 minutes. Those who have attended, I want to see what happens today in this screen. I don't know anybody who would have attended, but I don't know about them. Let us proceed again and do this exercise. And start 5 minutes. At minute 17, produce and narrate. As I said yesterday, it was a video message, but nobody has switched on video. I don't know why. Either you are indisciplined or you don't have sense of responsibility. The reason is not known to me. Why videos are not on? Continue writing, please. Time bond. Quick. टू 32 लिखिए, जल्दी से लिखिए 232, इधर उधर मत देखिए. One 176, your video is off. One 109 video possible.
Chess number 107 submitted, sir.
Very good. Keep all of you videos on so that we continue to participate as live as possible in the advanced series to get full confidence. Just wait for others to complete. You can close your eyes and ready to narrate. Just write your script in mind now. The script is over. Turn the script off. Learn the technique. Whilst others are speaking, close your eyes and ears. Just narrate your story in a crisp manner, whatever you want to. That is the script writing in mind. This is the time you should not bother for anything else. Just start writing the script in your mind. To be a smart speaker in 1 minute, short points. Now you have done a mistake of writing long background, long history, long lesson learned. To cut it down. Make a quick script in the mind now, because there are 10 of them going to speak. You have this liberty to think more. Learn to switch off. Learn to switch off from the environment. That means learn to close your ears without physically closing them. That is a technique. Everybody submitted? Narrate, please. Go ahead. 107, start.
Good morning, friends. This is chess number 107. In this picture, I see 4 men.
107. Now.
Good morning, friends. This is chess number 107. Am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, you are audible.
In my story, I see 4 men. Men number 1, age 29, mood neutral. Men number 2, age 30, mood neutral. Men number 3, 5 years old and mood neutral. Men number 4, age 31, mood neutral. Action, wrong deeds and right actions. Shyam was a middle class worker. After his work, he used to play cards with his friends. One day, when he saw his 5-year-old watching him and his friends playing cards and smoking cigarettes, he had a quick realization. He then decided to quit smoking and then to create a good action in front of his child to make him a good person. Because a child sees what he becomes.
Good morning,
Good
friends.
morning,
I saw.
students, ma'am. In picture, I saw 4 directors and one person is neutral mode and age between 5 to 24. And one
You're
character
audible.
is- and my story goes like that. Rajiv is working on teacher's company and he returned to at home and in Diwali vacation she was playing the cards and also her friend participates with him and they and her
Okay,
friend was
121, you need a headphone and a speaker.
yes, yes, sir.
हेडफोन यूज करिए स्पीकर के साथ, आवाज नहीं आएगी ऐसे में. नेक्स्ट प्लीज.
Good morning, friends. I saw 4 main characters in this picture. Age between 11 to 32 years old. Mood is positive. Next on my story is a good message. Rahul is a 11-year-old boy who is studying in a 6th class and participated in extracurricular activities. One day he saw his father and his friend coming at home for some good time. But when he saw that his father friends and father is smoking and playing cards, then he initiated that tell to them smoke kills to dangerous for the health, and he advised some disadvantages of the smoking which he learned in the school. And after that his father realized that his child is saying good for his health, and then
Time up. Next.
and then
Time up. Next.
Good morning, everyone. This is chess number 240.
240. Hold down. Next.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this picture, I perceive that there is a 4 men, aged around 15 to 32, and Ram was very brave and intelligent boy, and he was like after his graduation he he was going in the company for work, and he with his friends, like after working, he used to play cards and did smoking. And while playing cards, he saw one boy come towards them, and he start asking about what are you doing, and he start playing with them. Then they realize that we are spreading a wrong message to our society. Then he with his friends stop. So I can complete my story.
Next, please.
I'm audible?
Yes, continue
So,
fast.
yeah. In my perception, the story consists of 4 people, all are male. 3 of them are having age group between 25 to 30 years, and one boy having age of 12 years. The action of my story is taking lesson and improving. Ram was living in a city. He just got a new job. Along with that, he got some new friends. Some of his friends have habit of playing cards and smoking. Soon as it became habit of his also, and they started playing cards and smoking at his home. One day, when they are playing cards and smoking, his own child come to him and ask that what they are doing, and he also want to smoke and play cards. Seeing this, Ram realizes his mistake and promised his child to not to do so, and also advised his friend that we cannot continue playing cards and smoking as it is injurious to health, and that's all.
Next, please.
Good morning, everybody. So I perceive 4 characters. 3 of them are of all of them are males. 3 of them are of age between 24 to 32, and one is a child of age 7 to 8 years. So Nilesh was playing. Nilesh was having a small party of his success. So with his 2 friends, and Nilesh started smoking. His son came in the room with his book to check to make sure that to tell his father that he had completed his assignment, and his son asked Nilesh to take him out to the market. So then Nilesh told his son that he will be taking him out tomorrow, and they did so, and Nilesh bought him toys. Thank you.
All right, 240, go ahead. 109, would you like to speak? Okay, he's in office. Okay, 240, go ahead.
Good morning, friend. I have seen 4 characters in this picture. Three is male, age 32, 35. One is child, age 8. The action of my story, right path towards the life. Rahul was a Rahul. Rahul is addicted to play the gambling and smoking. Once he was playing with his friend, and his son came to him with his book. He start he stopped studying and started to watch them. He asked to his father to smoke for smoking. Uh, to see this, Rahul realized that what will be the impact of this environment of the on the mind of the child. So he decided to stop the gambling and the smoking. He also advised to his friends to stop the gambling and smoking, and show them the right path towards the life. Thank you.
Okay, House open for discussion on the PPDT, 27 July. Go ahead with the picture which I have shown you. And now you should discuss after your narration. Time starts now. Time is 091125. 1135 we will stop. And conclude, leader will be nominated. Go ahead.
So friends, as we have
As per note that there are 4 characters in the story, and all are male, and we can consider that 3 of them are having age group between 25 to 30, and one is children. So we can go with the background of the story. It is looking like a home, and we can go with that they are playing cards and enjoying.
Yeah, I agree with the 2 to 6, and we should go further for the story, because as we have seen that the boy is advising the parents, so we can add the action of story is the good message for the help, otherwise wearing.
I think not.
I
not
think the
advising,
action should
we
be.
can
I think action should be the right path towards the life, because after stopping the smoking and gambling, So he also show the path to the other friends of his other
Yes,
friends.
I agree to the just about 240 that action should be showing the right path, and I think we should not show that they are friends. I think it will be better when we show father with his friends because it's too small to have such big friends. So I think the father
You
and
are
the
not
son
audible.
story can be good.
And definitely seeing the innocence gives him Jack Lance was smoke. So he realized asked that he will not do so and was advised him to do it.
But friends, no, अगर कभी घर में ऐसे नहीं करते तो we should do it.
I think friends, we should go further for the action.
Exactly.
We
So
should not just
children
have
will know all
the
about
small
love.
thing.
So
Right now, the
friends,
family has
One minute. Listen to me. After speaking, mute your mic, especially 107. When your mic is on, it's all echoing to all. So 107, especially when you are using, immediately put your mic to mute. All others, when you want to speak, then you mute. Please be smart. Otherwise, nothing can be heard. Continue.
Yes. So as we have decided that there is four male characters, right? Action is age between 11 to 32. The last age is that, and we should move further for the action because we have decided that there is four characters, and then we should move further for the actions, right? There's a chess number 40 set, good message for that, and
Yes,
so we can consider that bad
We
habits
can
are
we can
dangerous,
see in
like
this
gambling
picture.
and smoking.
And
In this
definitely
picture,
we
we
can
can
add
see there is a three men who are gambling and smoking, and one boy who's probably reading his book because there is a book in his hand.
so
what
we
I
can
think
we can add one point here.
They have mentioned that a child will never say a father. I think the main action hero should be a father. That he realized that the child is learning something bad and we are doing a wrong action, and then he takes action that will be more better.
I think
I'm agree to 107 because child has
partially
no
agree.
capability. I'm agree to 107 because child has no capability to make understand someone. So
Sorry to
his
interrupt
father, so one person
240.
of the picture.
Sorry to interrupt you 240, but I think there is should be the main hero is the child because the child has the ability to understand what is good and what is bad. So I
I
think
don't
if we have the knowledge that what is good and bad, then we can advise his father. Right? So actually, our main hero is the boy who is advising or suggesting the father to smoke is dangerous to help. So I think the main hero
what
of
I
our
think the
story.
age of a child is around 10
And
years. So I think
Not we should continue about each age. We should
actually,
move
why
I
further for
want
the
to. I
maturity and
I'm not
clarity by
agree
your age
with.
also.
I'm not agree with this point
No
because the
child can
child has the
teach his
curiosity
father
to
what to.
change. Uh,
No child can
child
teach a
child
father
has
what to do or
And
yes yes.
definitely at the age
ask
of
him
time
what to do.
they just
So
learn
we
everything that what to be. So seeing his innocence and his learning capability, the father realized his mistake and promised him not to do so in the future. That can be
Yeah,
I'm
even
I
if
agree
we
with you.
have
There is
I'm
no
agree with 2 to 6.
self-realization, I
I
think
agree with
the
2 to
thing is
6.
about self-realization. Even though if the child will say no, the father will continue doing the wrong deeds. It's the only topic about the self-realization that comes within.
So
We can also
we
consider
should
like
we should conclude the story. That story should be go like that. There will be there's three men and one
and
child, and
one
because of
more
the
point.
child
One
they
more
are
point.
gambling and smoking. Because of the child, the man self realized and stop the smoking and gambling and stop to the other to do so.
Yeah, and we
240, but I think we should
in the
modify
end
your
of
word. We can
that
add one point playing the cards, not
Yeah.
gambling. Because
spread
gambling we
awareness
playing for the
to
money.
society.
Or we can add this one point here. They are playing cards on the doing a gambling. So they are playing the cards and doing smoking. So at that
And
time,
also with the starting of the story, we can add a point that Ramesh was got a new job. So earlier he was not doing so, but when he just got a new friends and he just become habitual of that, so we can also start our story with that.
or we can start that like he
Can
was having
add
some
one
small
more point.
party or group for his success or thing, so that they are all only three of them are playing.
Yeah, definitely.
yeah, we can add this point. And
Yeah, and we can add one more point in the end,
And
like
see
after
we can
seeing
see
the
there's a money also
they
in the
spread
table.
awareness in the society.
I I think I seen the money on the table, and it's the part of the gambling when the money comes in the cards.
It's a
Yeah,
people
but
you I
money
think
can this
I think
yeah
this can be the cards. This can be the cards, and we are playing the cards because we are dividing the parts, and this can be the card we cannot consider as money. So we can at this
If
point
you
we
see the
should
background and situation, they are
yeah, I
smoking,
agree.
and it's a
Yeah,
journalistic
I'm
yeah.
agree with that. Yeah,
situation of the
I'm agree with that. I'm
gambling,
agree with
I
that.
think
Your
there's
point.
not the
simply
card.
no doubt about the actions, whether it is a money gambling or normal gambling, it's wrong anyways. So I think we should conclude, move towards the conclusion of the story, and please continue to
Yes.
read on.
So should I conclude the story?
Yeah,
I
no
think yes,
problem.
please do that. Yes, I think yes,
Yes,
please do
Nitin.
that.
Okay. So, sir.
You start.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
continue.
So, as we all concluded, there are four persons, four men, age around 24 to 30, and a child, age of 7 to 11. And the you can say that the title, the action can be "Bad Habits Are Dangerous." So, Nilesh with his friend was enjoying at his home for his success, and his child came with his book in his hand. He when the Nilesh saw Nilesh was smoking, and when he saw that his child saw him, he decided to quit smoking and gambling. And he also advised his friends to not to do so because it imparts a danger, a bad impact on the child's thinking or mentality. Thank you, sir.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we had a PPDT, and all of you have. It is not a PPDT; it's a TAT because the imaginations are very, very aligned. Most of you realized that it is. As you see, this PPDT is very, very clear because it is very large character of people, all visible, no discretion or no variation in the imagination much. It's more of a tag, but I give you to practice. And you can see yourself that alignments are generally very, very close to the requirement. Remember, the points here is to, again, not to become a hero when you can't be hero. The child cannot be hero in this because he cannot self-realize, which was pointed out by you. Acceptance of social realities, smoking, playing cards for recreation at the correct age of life is important. Important means it is the part of the system. It is done in the society. So you cannot say something is wrong or right. Point is not to discuss that point. You have to take this as a positive story. It's a normal day-to-day life. Point here to bring out was that are we as a responsible parents keeping the children away from the environment in which they are not subjected to be at that age? And in case we are not aware of that, are we, while enjoying our adulthood life, are we also keeping a track of our parenthood, our brotherhood, our sisterhood, requirements to inculcate correct habits in the children? Else, the life is, वो बुढ़िया हो गई है, वो अभी से बूढ़ा हो गया है. ये बच्चा जो है बूढ़े जैसे बात करता है. ये जो बच्चा है ये नानी माँ जैसे बोलती है. This is what happens in the society, and children get exposed to beyond their age experience of life which may affect their psychological grooming. So the topic is towards right path, correctness to environment, and or care for children, something like proper grooming of children. Anything could be possible, but the alignment of story has to go to that direction. Anybody who try to take the child as a hero and try to correct him, not possible. Somebody try to correct father through child, just not possible. They are not realistic way to look at this life. No child can correct his father, and no child of 11 years has the guts to tell his father that don't drink, don't smoke. I mean, he's nobody to do so. It has to be done by the wife if required. So please understand the correctness of this. This was a quick PPDT. As far as discussions are concerned, 107 is able to again speak from a little far. She's speaking well. Unfortunately, technical problems are there. 121, you are also able to speak, but हेडफोन यूज करिए, दूर से बैठ के व्यू पूरा मिल रहा है, लेकिन हेडफोन के कारण दिक्कत आ रही है। 226 व्यू आपका बिल्कुल सिर्फ फेस का मिल रहा है, और आपकी जो स्टेम है बॉडी नहीं दिख रही, तो हमें लैंग्वेज नहीं मिलेगा पूरा बॉडी लैंग्वेज का, आपके हैंड्स मूवमेंट ये सब नहीं समझ में आएंगे मुझे। तो आपको कल बताया था मैंने, हमें पूरे स्टेम व्यू मिलना चाहिए, जितनी दूर बैठना चाहिए वैसे ही बैठना पड़ेगा सभी को, तभी आपको फुल कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा। आप देख सकते हैं 107 करीब करीब 240, 121, 231, even 117 is sitting very close. We can see only up to his shoulders. So actually you are giving a passport side view, which is not the right one. You have to give up to west view so that we can look at you at least. Or if best would be that you sit 2 feet away and speak from there. Doesn't matter if we don't see your face. We have to see your entire body and limbs. That is the requirement of the advanced series. Up to west, at least if I can see. I mean, actually speaking, we should be able to see the full face and up to the legs, because your legs to be crossed, kept steady, and not, legs should not be shaking. Because a lot of people have this habit of shaking of legs or shifting of legs. Every time hand shifting, leg shifting, बोलते बोलते ये सब होता रहता है। इवन चेयर पे शिफ्ट होते रहते हैं लोग, वो सब पीछे साइकोलॉजिस्ट देखता रहेगा। तो पीपीडीटी करते समय में यहाँ तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर इंटरव्यू में ये सब प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी, जीडी में प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, जीपीई में प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, वहां भी वो सब वो चेक करते रहेंगे। So be careful about that part. Okay, 109, you wanted to speak something?
Sir, I will just say that the image right now you have given, it is the same image which was there in my last SSB.
It came in your last SSB. Very nice. Great.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Okay. So what was your opinion? You have cleared you went up to conference. So you are an experienced person. That's why I brought you here today. Please tell them accordingly. 2-3 lines.
Definitely, the kind of discussion and at the end the feedback there is giving is very upright. And about the same picture which was presented right now, I think this is the ideal approach that the senior most person, that is the father figure, would realize his mistakes and correct him for the betterment of the future of his or her child. That is what I will say.
So simple and straight, not much of discussion. We don't have to bother over this part. We all are getting the correct alignment now. We are coming to the advanced stage. We are streaming down towards our goal of clearing PPDT. Just keep it up and just continue with this this kind of approach. This was also discussed in the morning basic class. 240 was present and 240 was given the leadership in the morning. That's why I told him to speak in the last. 240 did this exercise in the morning from 8 to 9 o'clock with the basic series. And he was nominated as leader because the rest, most of the basic people went on some other direction. None of them were actually towards the rightist path for the child, or the role of parent in child's grooming. This could be also a topic, role of parent in child grooming, something like that. Rightist path, or responsibility of parents, or parental grooming, something like that. Okay, anything could be possible. Idea is to associate yourself with the picture. So I think very, very clear, and we are going in the right direction. Okay, right. With that, now
Sir,
we
1
move
minute.
to the...
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, I'm joining with other device.
All right, go ahead, come back. We go to the next talk on the one group discussion. We are all in the correct mode. We just finished the hot PPDT group discussion. We nominated a leader. Quickly shift to a group discussion. And the topic for you, yes.
Sir, I have a question about the PPDT.
Go ahead.
Sir, I also send you a picture. I've seen number of picture in like that.
That picture, I have kept it. I have done that picture with 109. 109 has done that picture which you sent me yesterday about that picture. You want to practice it? I will have it here. I have it in my PC. I will open up. Wait a minute. You wanted to discuss?
I'm not able to write a single word on this picture.
Don't worry. Let the people discuss it. This was discussed by me. I have put out such stories, whereas, okay, I will not speak anything so that people are not. Let me just check this picture first. Where is it? Is it with me or not?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
All right, one second. Maybe it is in that. Such stories will come up. There is some. Okay, let the people look at it. Just give me. Wait, don't show. Don't. Please remove that. Please remove this. Please remove it. Please remove it. Oh my God. Top 40, you are not getting my point here. Oh. This is
Yes,
all
sir.
psychology. Even 5 seconds in, you have lost. You didn't realize my tricks.
I
Wait,
just
don't get excited, friend. This has been discussed. 109 is here, I think. You may have discussed this. 109 is the
I will
oldest
check.
student, 1 year old here. Okay, all this has been discussed. I show all this in the X series. These are all Google pictures, nothing great that we are doing. Okay, I'm also just showing you from them. Just a minute. Give me some, let me recover. I don't know whether if I have preserved it somewhere. All right, no problem. So what we will do is, okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, second PPDT. It's coming on the screen, and chest number 240 is going to present the screen. 30 seconds. Do not take any clips. Just receive it and then write same way. Quick discussions. Nice one and good one. Go ahead, 240.
Yes, sir.
Put it on the screen. Present the screen. Or I will show you. I have it in my mobile. Okay, go ahead. Hold it. बस हिलाओ मत, अभी छोड़ दो, आप कुछ मत करो, जिसको जो करना है करेंगे, आप छोड़ो मत उसको. Action point, please. 30 seconds. Kindly keep your videos on. I would like to see your reaction, your bhav bhangima, so that we know what are we writing.
So time is over. Should I remove the
Remove it.
picture?
Remove it. 240. Whatever you want to write, please write. You are sending it to me. Any imagination doesn't matter. Everybody is mature enough to understand this society. Don't put any artificiality. I would caution you, be open-hearted. All are mature enough. Whatever comes in your mind, which happens in society, whatever way you feel, it's go ahead. It's one-to-one talk.
number 107 submitted, sir.
I will be asking narration in 3-4 lines this time, just to take you action point heading and 3 lines, so that we don't waste time and we just know the psychological imaginations. That's all. So that, I mean, English everybody is able to put it on, so no, not an issue for discussions. Should we start, please? Wherever you are there, I know conclusion of story may not be so important in this, as long as we are going through the thought process. Go ahead, 240, start please. Action point. Mood bata do, age bata do, patapat.
So, good morning, friends.
No, don't worry about structure. Don't worry about structuring of narration. Just tell me the quick points. Mood, age, gender, action point, and 3 lines.
The 2 characters. One is male of 28 years, mode is positive. One is female, 25 years, mode is positive. And action is family planning.
Stop. Next.
Good morning, friends. This is just number 230. Action plan: being physical is not sin. 2 characters: male, 30 years, mood neutral, and second one is female, 28, mood positive.
Okay, next.
Good morning.
अरे बोलो यार, इतना जितना टाइम वेस्ट करते हो प्लान करने में, उससे तो 3 आदमी बोल देंगे. प्लीज हमें टाइम कम करने की कोशिश करो. आप फॉर्मेलिटीज कर रहे हो. Go 117. What is the problem? Oh yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Next. Lead 117. Next, please. He's hesitant person.
109 here, sir.
Go ahead. Yeah, no formalities, please. I'm hearing everyone. Please. GTO is not part of your series.
Mood is positive, age is around 28. They are both working in IT industry, and the theme of the story is that they get into a physical relation and then they move ahead for a commitment.
अरे आप एक्शन पॉइंट तो बताओ यार, हेडिंग तो बताओ.
Sir, getting married.
तो इतना ही बोलो ना, मैं समझ जाऊंगा. बाकी एक्शन पॉइंट से स्टोरी खत्म हो जाती है, इसलिए तो एक्शन पॉइंट लाया गया पीपीडीटी में. समझ गए आप? बाकी कुछ स्टोरी बनाना किसी को कोई बच्चे का खेल है, उसके बाद मेन है एक्शन पॉइंट क्या है आपका. गो अहेड. नेक्स्ट प्लीज.
176, female 25 positive, male 28 positive, and my action point is drama.
Okay, next.
170.
I also two people in the image. Male 25 mood neutral, female 23 mood negative. Action point is saving Nilima. Veer, as a tribal villager, saw Nilima.
Saving. एक मिनट. Saving dilemma. Okay, understood. Very clearly.
Nilima, sir.
Huh?
Name of the girl, sir.
Saving Nilima.
Yes, sir.
Okay, even dilemma was okay. Go ahead, 176.
So I spoke.
Go ahead. 176, 76. Go ahead.
Yes, he has.
25 positive, male 28 positive, and action point is drama.
Okay. 117.
2 females, more positive, age between 23 to 25. So my story is casting the pre-historical life.
क्या बोला इन्होंने?
Casting the pre-historical life, sir.
Casting the pre-historical life, 2 females, both positive. 121.
Yes, sir. Two characters, male, which is neutral mode, age 20 to 24. Second character, woman, neutral mode, age 20 to 23, and action is helping woman.
आवाज नहीं सुना पड़ती इसकी. हमारी आवाज में प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता क्या बोल.
And my action point is helping woman.
Helping women, helping 2 women नहीं, helping women. 2 women क्या होता है? Helping women, that's all. Okay, go ahead. 240 please, come up. Okay, family planning, he said so. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
अभी आप बताओ, इनमें से किसका सबसे अच्छा एक्शन पॉइंट लगता है बिना डिस्कशन के?
Drama.
Drama is one. Okay, very nice. दूसरा?
रामायण माइन मेरा वाला।
क्या?
तो ड्रामा भी हो सकता है और बाकी
अरे
जो
you
चल रहा
please
था।
speak 117. Please speak your complete action point.
So I said the casting the pre-historical life because we are used to the some
प्री हिस्टोरिकल को ठीक से बोलोगे तो सबको समझ में आएगा. आपकी अंग्रेजी आधा आपको समझ में आती है. प्री हिस्टोरिकल ठीक से बोलो. Emphasize the words, connect with it. Don't speak to yourself. You're speaking to 9 people here. Few of you do not have communication skills to understand that when you speak for yourself. Prehistoric. आप लंबा बोल रहे हो ड्रामा. वो बोल रही है सेविंग नीलम, वो बोल रहा है फैमिली प्लानिंग, वो बोल रहा है हेल्पिंग हैंड. आप बोल रहे हो लंबा. तो लंबा बोल रहे हो तो ठीक से तो बोलो. पहले तो सीखो छोटा बनाना. नहीं आता है छोटा बनाना तो लंबा लंबा अंग्रेजी मारते हो. लंबा अंग्रेजी मारते हो तो ठीक से बोलो कम से कम. फिर से बोलो क्या बोलना चाहते हो आप.
casting the pre-historical life, sir.
सर मत बोलो. सर से बात नहीं हो रही है. यहाँ पे काम की बात हो रही है. आगे पीछे वो उसको बोला 121 को सर 1 इज मेल कैरेक्टर सर सुनाना सर. अरे यार मेल 25 पॉजिटिव नहीं बोल सकते तुम. 121 अंग्रेजी नहीं आती तुमको बोलने. हमेशा तुमको सिखाना ही पड़ेगा कि 2-4 सब जब तक मसाला नहीं लगाओगे अंग्रेजी ठीक नहीं हुई तुम्हारी. बोला मैंने कि आई वांट अ शॉर्ट क्रिस्प आंसर्स. फिर भी 121 लगा हुआ है. एंड माय एक्शन पॉइंट इज. अरे यार आंसर द ब्लडी क्वेश्चन. What nonsense going on here? अंग्रेजी समझ में नहीं आती कि क्या बोल रहा है आपका जीटीओ की. शॉर्ट में बोलो. हेल्प करो उसको. तो अभी भी वही अंग्रेजी मार रहे हो. सर एक्चुअली सर दिस इज सर ओरिजिनल सर डुप्लीकेट सर. आगे लगा रहे हो सर पीछे लगा रहे हो सर. यहाँ कोई भाईबंदी थोड़ी हो रही है. क्लास हो रहा है भाई. Be to the point यार. I see two corrector. Good afternoon, morning, gentlemen. मैंने बोला यार फॉर्मेलिटी मत करो माफ करो. फिर भी शुरू हो गया. जहाँ जो पूछा जा रहा है वही करो ना. जीटीओ भी ऐसे चेंज करेगा. एक ऑब्जेक्शन हटा देगा. बोलेगा नहीं सर मेरे को तो इधर से ही जाना है. आपने तो पहले बता नहीं था. उसने बोला अरे ऑब्जेक्शन हटा दिया ना. सुना नहीं आपने. हाँ सर सॉरी सर भूल गया ऑब्जेक्शन इधर से. खत्म. He's got your presence of mind. Learn to change behavior with time and situation. Military is very fast, ladies and gentlemen. और मैं तो पायलट हूँ. आई एम फ्रॉम फ्लाइंग ब्रांच यार. मेरे पास सेकंड टू सेकंड का प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. टोटल मोर देन हाफ फॉरवर्ड लेफ्ट हैंड ऑन स्टिक. ट्रिम बैक करेक्ट पोस्चर. जेटसन कैनोपी इजेक्ट. क्या बोला मैंने. क्या ये
इजेक्शन
40 साल पहले जो एयरफोर्स एकेडमी में रनवे के सामने सिखाया गया था हवाई जहाज को थ्रॉटल खोलने से पहले, वो मैं ऐसे बोलता हूँ. आज सुनो 40 साल के बाद. टोटल मोर देन हाफ फॉरवर्ड, लेफ्ट हैंड ऑन स्टिक, ट्रिम बैक, करेक्ट पोस्चर, जेटसन कैनोपी, इजेक्ट. कैडेट, जेटसन कैनोपी, इजेक्ट. That is how you go in the air every day, morning, evening, in the flying. एंड हवा में जो हम पैटर करते हैं एज इंस्ट्रक्टर में जो पैटर करता हूँ, आप सुन के दंग रह जाओगे कि कैसे लूप, एरोबेटिक्स, बैरल रोल, चार्ली, वर्टिकल चार्ली जो आप देखते हो Su-30 के जो हम सिखाते हैं पायलट्स को, तो कैसे करना पड़ता है हमें वो 5G 6G पुल करके जब हम करते हैं कितनी फास्ट रिएक्शन होती है. आप ये छोटे से रिएक्शन में घबरा जाते हो. गोली की स्पीड से बात करो भाई. मिलिट्री ऑफिसर बनने वाले हो. धाड़ लगेगी गोली, 7-8 लगेगी और वो निकल भी जाएगी और हॉस्पिटल से रिकवर भी हो जाओगे, फिर खड़े हो जाओगे. दैट्स ए स्पिरिट. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा छोटे छोटे बातों में अटक जाना. कुछ लोग बहुत नर्वस हैं वीडियो में, दिख रहा है मुझे. थोड़ी सी चीयर अप हो जाओ, है ना. ओके, आई थिंक द होल क्राउड इज टुवर्ड्स ए सेविंग कल्चर, ड्रामा, हिस्टोरिकल. यू आर ट्राइंग टू टेक इट टू ए healthy story other than to get into a man woman relationship story which is very visible on the screen. So why not mold the story in your imagination towards that and just get used to it. How does it matter? चलो डिस्कशन करेंगे तो कहाँ ले जाएगी स्टोरी. अभी आप मान लिया डिस्कशन करोगे, किधर जाएगी स्टोरी है. व्हाट डू फील, किसके फेवर में जाएगी. एक्शन पॉइंट सबका सुन लिया आपने. Decide. You are all people are independent. बताइए.
ड्रामा की तरफ जाएगी.
एक ड्रामा ठीक है. सेविंग नीलम है उनका. प्री हिस्टोरिक है इनका. ड्रामा है इनका.
हेल्पिंग वुमेन
है इनका 121 का.
ड्रामा.
नो अभी ये बीइंग फिजिकल मैन वुमेन रिलेशनशिप, ये तो ठीक है, ये तो सबके दिमाग में सीधा सीधा आ ही रहा है. एवरीबडी इज अडल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ठीक है, ये लग रहा है कि रोमांटिक सीन हो सकता है, बट ये द लेडी कुड बी इंजर्ड ऑल्सो ना, मेडिकल हेल्प भी तो हो सकता है. करेक्ट, यू कैन मोल्ड दिस स्टोरी टू मेडिकल हेल्प. शी इज इंजर्ड, मे बी आपके पोस्टर से लग रहा है उन्होंने थोड़ी ऑब्सीन ऑलमोस्ट दिखाया कि थोड़ी सी ऑब्सीन भी लग कर दिया उन्होंने इसको, बट इट कुड बी बिकॉज ऑफ पेन ऑल्सो ना, राइट? मे बी शी इज इन पेन, isn't it? If a person is in pain, does the cloths and all matter then? How does the cloths being sewn? Maybe one leg is, not covered with cloth. So people are going into the direction of one thing is that adult relationship. ठीक है. But if you want to be little more moderate, want to be little more expressive, and you want to pull in the life in a crowd where you don't want to be very, very personal or embarrassed, where you feel that if I speak, I may get embarrassed, there is a way out, na? You can mold it and you can still get through it. Such situation will develop. Many romantic stories under a umbrella, two men and women standing. I've got many of them. I have not given you all people because who has practiced this with me earlier? Anybody here? This was practiced in my class last year, I think. So I have not given you. But forget about that. I think 240, have you got the message? Can we pull on this nicely without much problem? We were going to deeper, family life. Because you are the eldest, I think you are thinking of going into the marriage and all. So your perception is very clear about taking the story towards your own life. Okay? Doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
And in the previous story, 107 made Shyam as a worker. Please pardon me, don't make me worker and all. Okay? Okay? And keep okay, but I became a responsible father later on, so it was corrected nicely, so good. I just want to have a quick fun with you and show you a picture, and then let's see what your story you write on this. Okay, 240, have I satisfied you? Have you got your answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But I have a question here.
Okay, बोलो जल्दी से फटाफट. Another one.
जब उनका ड्रेस सर अलग था, वो मतलब थोड़ा खास में अलग ड्रेस लग रहा था सर.
हाँ, खास का ड्रेस लग रहा है, तब आप मान के चलो कि ये मैन वुमेन रिलेशन की ही स्टोरी है. अब आपको बोलने में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो सकती है ग्रुप में. अभी यहाँ पे तो हमारे पास मैन और वुमेन दोनों बैठे हैं, ठीक है. एक क्लास में थोड़ी एम्बैरेसिंग भी हो सकता था. आप तो अपने मेन के ग्रुप में जाओगे, विमेन अपने विमेन के ग्रुप में जाएंगी, तो वहां पे ये स्टोरी शायद दूसरे तरह से आप प्रोजेक्ट कर पाओगे. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू?
Yes.
That's why I told you I will not. That's why I told you I will not go into discussion, because you will start proving your points, which I don't want to do in this group as on today. So please understand the maturity in which I am trying to say. But if this was a group of women, they will deal with separately. They will all will speak in a very aggressive manner, because women are women. They also have the liberty of life. They also have their own way to speak. There may be men judges around, but all the 40 women, when they speak, they don't bother who's men around. So similarly here in this story, perception will change with situation. What is your question exactly? The dress, and all the dress is all fine. You can take the story as maybe she was not fit, medically unfit, unable to okay. You can also take a story towards that he was working in a distant foreign country and came to home, and the lady was not getting enough company with the husband. So before going, she was saying bye, and she was trying to give warm and care to him, and he was consoling him कि I will be back soon. ये भी हो सकता है, यहाँ भी लाके छोड़ सकते हो उसको. Don't have to go into detail of it. You are going beyond that. Where I am stopping, people are going beyond that. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You stop it here in a mature manner, that a young relationship and married life, and then he was not getting enough time, but the lady was always looking for warmth and care, because of the he said I will be back after some time, and then the lady understood him and helped him to go back, said goodbye, and then they made a good life. खत्म. वहाँ भी आप अगर उसी डायरेक्शन में ले जाना चाहते हो तो वहीं ले जाओ. आपकी परसेप्शन तो ये है ना कि हस्बैंड वाइफ रिलेशन की बात हो रही है. अगर आप वही पकड़ के रखना चाहते हो तो वहां भी यहाँ रोक सकते हैं ना उसको हम. यू डोंट हैव टू गो बियॉन्ड टू deeper imagination of relationship. Good enough. I think we'll stop that here. समझ में आया सबको बात?
Yes, sir.
I think we all got. ऐसे वाले और भी आएंगे, ऐसे वाले बहुत सारे आते हैं. 2 स्टूडेंट पार्क में बैठे हुए हैं, ऐसे कई सारे आते हैं. आपने देखा होगा गूगल में, करेक्ट? पर उसको छोड़ो ना, अभी इसको करते हैं जरा सा करते हैं. Yes. You have to give a slogan to this action point. What will you give? Think of 30 minutes. Mood वगैरह पता नहीं इसका क्या है. I don't know. Please have a good look at the mood. And I'm giving you longer time this time because you will become perfect if you can judge him. Can you see the whole thing now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The tail is holding his head also by a string. He is under his own command. चलो बताओ. एक्शन पॉइंट. एज बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, मेल फीमेल भी बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, एज बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. मूड देख लो उसका क्या है. If you are dog lovers, you will know the mood.
Positive.
पॉजिटिव है. आंख वाक बंद कर रखा है. जिन्होंने इमोजी का यूज किया अच्छी तरह से व्हाट्सएप में, उनको पता होगा कि कैसी इमोजी है ये. देखो कैसा है बंदा, ये आराम से आंखें बंद करके बैठा है. ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे आपका. अगर कोई बोलना चाहता है तो बोल दो, वरना हम आगे बढ़े.
Own master.
Own master, very nice. Own master, very good. Good heading.
Adopting the situation.
Adopting situation. Self care, बहुत सुंदर. Self motivating. नया वर्ड यूज करो. 117 नया वर्ड यूज करो, तभी मजा आएगा. Own boss. आत्मनिर्भर. इसने पकड़ लिया कहीं से पकड़ लिया इसने. ये लो स्लोगन पकड़ लिया. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, अगर खुद किया तो ये इसका स्लोगन है. इसको भी मैंने बीच में रखा हुआ है, टैट बैट के बीच में, एक बार दिखाने के लिए. ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं, बट मैं अभी प्रोफेशनल टोन पे आया नहीं था, इसलिए मैं अभी मूड आपका ईज नहीं कर रहा था, टू कीप द प्रेशर ऑन. बट दीज आर द वे. आर.के. लक्ष्मण की पिक्चर्स, ये पिक्चर्स, ये सारे पीपीडीटी में मदद करते हैं. बहुत आराम से पीपीडीटी हो जाता है. ओके Okay, so I think we have had 2 PPDT and clarified so many points. We are on the live video and we have had healthy discussions. We have also thought of how to probably, 1 second, that will have many views. See this. Another picture. Okay. I will not ask you to write, but those who have done it before, they will know actually what does it mean. तो ऐसे छोटे छोटे पिक्चर आते रहेंगे आपको, जो आपको दिखाते हैं करने के लिए. As far as 1 second. I had shown you this picture, which you would have realized it is closer to this kind of imagination, which you just saw. आपको ये जो पिक्चर दिखाया था मैंने कल, ये वाला ध्यान है ना, कल जो परसों वाला, remember?
Yes.
It was something of that theme which you wanted to speak today. But there are many of the themes like that which can be shown to you. and this is possible to be quite can you have a look?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Something what I was telling you, these kind of pictures would be available. You will have to be very diplomatic, moderate, and very nice to pull through these pictures. Having young life and how to depict them towards a positive way, still pull on without getting into any embarrassing details. So you have to be adult enough to understand how to deal with this. Okay, look at this. This also is a picture. Okay, can you see the ears here? Can you see the ears?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
and the tear,
Yes, sir.
tear. आंसू दिख रहे हैं आपको?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये वाले पिक्चर्स भी होते हैं. Simple, no talks, but just a consoling, cajoling, whatever. So these kind of pictures are available. All this. Okay, one picture here is like this. Crematorium. Here. This is also possible. This is another type.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to make it positive, from negative to positive, death is a reality. Now this is a different kind of subject. So if you know these 4 or 5 types of pictures, like you saw one that little bit of adult man and woman standing together, a boy and girl standing together. एक टाइप इस टाइप के हो गए, एक स्पोर्ट्स के हो गए, एक ड्रॉनिंग एंड फायर के हो गए, एक डेथ का हो गया, हॉस्पिटल का हो गया, ड्रिंकिंग का हो गया, सोशल इश्यूज हो गए. दैट्स ऑल. यही तो आते हैं पीपीटी में. अभी उन्होंने क्या बोला 109 ने कि सर वो पिक्चर रिपीट हुई थी, बोला ना उन्होंने.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You please just get mastered of it by just making types of story. कि डेथ वाले में क्या करूंगा, अगर कोई हॉस्पिटल में है क्या लिखूंगा, डेथ में क्या लिखूंगा, मॉर्चरी का फोटो दे दिया, फ्यूनरल का दे दिया, सब सेम है. करेक्ट ना? सोशल इश्यूज का सेम है. स्पोर्ट्स एंड करेज का, ड्रॉनिंग फायर, स्पोर्ट्स सेम है. ओके, मैन वुमेन रिलेशनशिप, एजुकेशन वाले कुछ स्कूल कॉलेज के सेम है. That's how it is. You have to plan it well. It's not that for every story you have to start from afresh. This can be planned at home, divided into various parts, and English can be prepared ready-made. You have to just quickly plant it there. कौन सा टाइप का स्टोरी है वो वाला फ्रेम उधर डाल दो. Is that trick okay?
yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all for the day. We will cut it now. We'll practice tomorrow GD and lecturate. We will remain on the video, and we will try to next 3-4 days. We will be in the same speed and pace up. Okay. Please keep reading your news awareness program and keep preparing full lectures now. Now news awareness should be when you come to the class, whosoever speaks the full news, I won't ask him to give the probably lecturate because he's already prepared so much. We will go to the group discussion, so maybe. So if you are already having one prepared talk, very nice. You can send me कि sir, I have got 10 prepared talks. इनमें से कोई मुझे आप lecturate में extempore में बोल दे दो. I will give you that only. Correct?
Yes,
That's
sir.
a better way. Then in the public, you will be able to pick up that topic out of 4, and out of 4, anyone can speak. So send me those 10 topics than which you feel that you are under command and better. Chalo. Thank you. Chest number. Who is volunteer for tomorrow?
176.
231 आप ले लेंगे कल के लिए?
Yes, sir.
230, 232, can you take on?
Yes.
Okay, 232 will be the coordinator. Group discussion and lecturate. We will plant any of them. Okay. Is this class 240? What is your priority of practice? I will be going through you first, and then 121, maybe 109, 107, 117. Yours is the first SSB.
SRT.
To next class, you want to go for SRT or lecturate and GD?
Sir,
First.
SRT.
You want to shift straight forward from here to that psychology?
Yes, sir.
Or Okay, so we'll practice SRT tomorrow. ये काम करते हैं ना, GTO के सारे खत्म कर लो पहले, फिर हम साइकोलॉजी में जाते हैं.
Yes, sir, we can do.
So that's what in the GTO series. Tell me,
Sir, lecture.
lecturate and GD tomorrow. Thank you. 232 coordinator. Please send me the link immediately. I forget the link later on. Then I keep searching who's the coordinator. Bye, Sevuk. See you. Bye bye. Good day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thanks, sir.
Bye.